Good morning, children. Today I am here with English Reader, Chapter 9, The Surprising Buns. So, in the last video, I have explained this story in short. And today we will read the story and know what happened to that child, Grumple Goblin. So let's start the story. Every Saturday, Mother Bushel baked some curranty buns for her brother. Policeman plodded along. He came to tea and currant bun were his favorite tea time dish. So every Saturday, Mother Bushel bakes some bun for her brother. Policeman plodded along. What is the name of her brother? Policeman plodded along. So why he came there? He came to have tea and buns, which was his favorite tea time dish. Okay? So now next. Mother Bushel baked them just before he came. She placed them out on her kitchen windowsill to cool while she went upstairs to take a nap. Now children, do you know what is windowsill? The narrow shelf. Now here also you can see, I have explained also one time. The narrow shelf at a bottom of a window, either inside or outside. Okay. So Mother Bushel baked bun before coming his brother, and she keep that bun on the kitchen windowsill. So she keep her bun on the windowsill to cool, and then she went upstairs for a nap. Nap means a short sleep that you have during the day. Okay. So after preparing her bun, she went upstairs for a short sleep. The next line, Grumple Goblin lived in the cottage next door. He always knew when Mother Bushel was baking bun because they smelled so good. He discovered that Mother Bushel always went upstairs after she had put out the buns. So Grumple Goblin, a small boy, was living in a neighborhood of Mother Bushel. He always came to know that buns have been made. So how he know? Because sweet smell came to his house, and he knew that Mother Bushel, after preparing her bun, she'll keep her bun on the windowsill and went upstairs for a nap, for a short sleep. So here discovered means found. So now next line. Each Saturday, Grumple managed to take one or two buns off the seal. At first, Mother Bushel didn't notice that any were gone. But when Grumple took 4 one Saturday, she frowned. So what is the meaning of frowned? To dislike. Or you can say that showing anger. See this lady? So when each Saturday Grumple went near the window and took one or two bun to eat. At first Mother Bushel didn't notice. But when Grumple took 4 buns, then she got angry. frowned. She got angry. See this lady? So, how she is showing anger? So, in this way, mother also got angry when she come to know that her 4 buns are missing. Now, surely I made more bun than this. She said, oh dear, surely nobody is so mean as to steal bun from me. Mother Bashal couldn't imagine who could be stealing them. She was sure it wasn't Mr. Hoo-Ha who lived on her right, and it couldn't be Grumple Goblin because he was always well-mannered. So now she surely come to know that few buns are missing, and she was very angry. Someone must have steal that one. So Mother Bashal thought and was sure that it must not be Mr. Hoo-Ha. So she was sure that it must not be Mr. Hoo-Ha who lived in her right side, and Grumple Goblin also who lived in her left side. Grumple Goblin must also not be stolen that bun because he was so well mannered. So then what happened? Mother Bashal wondered what to do about it. Now Mother Bashal thought what to do, how to find out that who had stolen my buns. So the next Saturday she baked a batch of bun, and on some of them she spread some strong magic glue. She put these to cool out on the windowsill. The other she put cool inside. Then she went upstairs. So now what did Mother Bashal did? So on the next Saturday, so she made a batch of bun, and in one she spread some magic glue, strong magic glue, and these one she kept on windowsill. Okay, as usual she kept bun on windowsill, but this time she put strong magic glue, and the other in which she put the sugary gel she kept inside, and then she went for nap, for a short sleep. Okay, Grumple saw the buns. She crept along quietly and took 2 of the buns off. He went to his cottage with them, but he couldn't put them down. They were stuck to his hand. Now what happened then? Grumple Goblin again came to know that today Mother Bashal had baked bun. So he saw the bun. He crept along. So what is the meaning of crept along? Moved silently and slowly. So he saw that bun are on the windowsill. So what did he do? So Grumple moved slowly. Crept along means slowly, quietly, and took that buns to his cottage. Cottage means to his house. So went back to his house. But he couldn't put them down. So why he couldn't put them down? Because they were sticked. Stuck means sticked. Because they were stick to his hand. It was the magic of of that glue, so and stick to that buns, and he can't able to put that down. So children, today we will do till here, and in next part we will explain the rest story. Till that, thank you.